Today, in the topic globalization and Indian economy, I am going to continue the topic multinational companies. That is the features of the multinational companies. In the previous video, I had talked few features of the multinational companies. Now, I am going to proceed further. The next feature is that investment is done with hope to earn profits. Naturally, what would be the motive of the multinational company? Naturally, to earn more and more profit. Naturally, they will produce the products or services for earning profits. Next feature is MNC set up production jointly with some of local companies. So this I had talked to you in the previous video also, that the important feature of globalization is joint venture, foreign collaboration. Naturally, the foreign company, what it will do, it will collaborate with the Indian company and jointly they will produce the goods. Then what are the benefits the local companies will have when they will have collaboration with the foreign countries, or you can say the foreign company? The benefits to the local companies are MNC provide money for additional investment. Means the money will be provided to the local company. Means more investment will be done by the foreign company or multinational company. The more money will be with the local company, and with what they will do with this money? They will buy new machines, new technology. Why? For faster production, for more production. Because multinational company produce not only for domestic market but also for international market, or you can say for global market. So they will get the money with the help of the multinational company. Second is MNC might bring with them the latest technology for production. Means latest technology will be available to the local company. Naturally, goods will be very fine quality wise, and even the goods will be cheap because the latest technology have been used to produce those goods or services. It means what? That if the foreign collaboration is done, then two benefits are to the local companies. One, they get money, and second, the latest technology. Another feature is that a major force in the globalization process. Naturally, MNC will come, it will improve the process of globalization. What is the process of globalization? Integration of economies with different countries of the world. Means the countries will be integrated globally, integrated in the market, so that they will produce goods not only for domestic market but also for the international market. Another feature is MNC have tremendous power to determine price, quality, delivery and labor condition for distant products. I have told you before that when the MNC establish industries, so many facilities are given to them, like special economic zones, flexibility in the labor laws. Naturally, MNC has tremendous power. They can influence the government of a country, and they will determine the price also. They will fix the price and they will sell the product on the price fixed by them. They will determine the quality also. They will determine how the goods and services will be delivered from one place to another, and what are the labor conditions that also are determined by MNC, whether they will be employed regularly or flexibly. So all these things are being determined by MNC. Because of that, we can say that MNC has tremendous power. MNC in developed countries place order for production with small producers. Products are supplied to the MNCs, which they sell this under their own brand name to customers. Then what do they do? MNC, what they do, that they will say to other company or small companies to produce certain goods. For example, they can say that you produce football for me. To another company, they will say that you produce jeans pant for me, and all these things. And what they will do, that will be collected at one place and brand name will be given by MNC. Though it is being produced by local people or local companies, since brand is given of MNC, then the market value of that product increases and that product is sold at the higher rates. So this is also being done by MNCs. MNCs wealth exceed the entire budget of the developing country government. Imagine that they have a lot of money and a developing country budget may exceed the profits earned by the multinational company. See how powerful they are. Economically, they are very powerful people, and that's why they can influence the price, quality, and everything. So, in the next video, I will talk of another topic. Thank you.